So they call it Bacchus temple because of the decoration. And here you can see that we have the dancers, the fans, we have the grapes, we have the wheat and the poppy. These people, they drink a lot of wine. They took drugs to be in hallucination. In that way they will cross themselves. They will be themselves the sacrifice. So which means that we are talking about a human sacrifice. And when we talk about a human sacrifice, it's not only killing people, but also we have what we call it today the sacred prostitution. It was a prostitution when people come to practice different sexual acts here, but it was sacred because they offered themselves through the members of the temple and through other